Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're adding this product image gallery section to your store. And honestly, this one can completely change how premium your product pages feel to your customers. It's simple to set up, but the visual impact it creates is huge. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it.
Open your favorite browser and type Shopify App Store in the search bar. Click on the first link that shows up. This will take you straight to the official store. Now search for Section Kit in the search bar there. You'll see the app appear right away. Click on it and install the app. The whole process is really simple and takes just a few seconds. It's just like installing any other Shopify app you've used before.
I've already installed the app, so we'll just go to our store admin, click on Apps, search for Section Kit, and hit Enter. Open the app and go to Explore Sections. Here, search for Product Image, click on More Info, and purchase it. I already have this one, so I'll just go to my section library and look for the section I want to add to my store. Then click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. Here you can see the section has installed successfully. Now open it in Customizer and it'll take you straight to the theme editor. Now click on Add Section, type Product, and click on the first section that shows up. Now let's scroll down and customize this together. Look at the left side and click on the first slot, then select the image you want. I'll go with this iPhone 17 Pro Max image and hit Done. We'll follow the same process to add all three product images one by one. Now that we've added the images, let's also change the heading. Scroll down and update the heading color, the subtitle below it, and even the color of the side arrow. If you want, you can change the background color too. There's a lot of room to make this section truly your own. Now, after putting in all this effort and spending our hard-earned money on this app, does it actually look as premium as we hoped, or not? Let's find out. Now click on View and scroll down. I'll let you be the judge here. How does this actually look? If you enjoyed this video, or if it helps make your e-commerce journey even a little bit easier, drop a like for me and comment below if you run into any problems with it. I read every comment, so don't hesitate to ask.